honorable guests, respected speakers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the National Health Research Institute Forum, the NHRI Forum, I'm glad to welcome you all joining this online meeting. The Learning Health System workshop on SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19. The purpose of this workshop is to promote science, disseminate knowledge, and facilitate global networking on the containment of COVID-19, as well as to study on its causative agent, SARS-CoV-2. Since early 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic has raged around the world and will continue to present challenges for researchers and health workers. By early September 2021, countries around the globe had reported over 224 million cases and over 4.6 million deaths attributed to the disease. More than ever, the world needs reliable and trustworthy knowledge and information to make important decisions. Over the past, the NHRI Forum has assisted Taiwan to tackle and solve urgent health issues for the people in Taiwan. Today, Taiwan is working hard to contain the pandemic, especially when Delta variants had just entered and threatened Taiwan. We at the NHRI are eager to have scientists join our effort in addressing imminent challenges by adopting a learning health system approach to help Taiwan take proper action and implement adequate public health measures. Without a doubt, the COVID-19 pandemic has indeed changed the way we live, including the way we hold conferences. This is the first time for the NHRI Forum to hold an international meeting through the internet. With less than 2 months time span, the organizing committee successfully invited outstanding speakers from India, the USA, as well as from the local scientific community. Here, they will present their up-to-date observations and share insights on SARS-CoV-2 variants. I hope everyone will enjoy today's scientific program and be able to take home helpful messages about dealing with SARS-CoV-2 variants. Thank you very much.